How to fix contacts disappeared from iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now click on contacts. Now here you can see the option contacts account. Now click on it and then click on iCloud. Now here you can turn this button on or off. If you turn this button on, your contacts will be appeared in iPhone, and if you turn this button off, then your contacts will be disappeared. So this is the way to fix contacts disappeared in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.